Dior Saddle Lotus Wallet. Currently are two Dior Saddle Wallet available. Both are gorgeous, but if you like the streamlined and clean wallet, then the Dior Saddle Lotus Wallet is your best choice. Let us show you the other saddle wallet first. As you can see, the Lotus Wallet doesn't come with the double front strap. The flap shape is quite similar, but take a look at the D-charm. Instead of hanging on the leather strap, the D-charm on the Lotus Wallet is connected to the flap. Stunning, isn't? While the Saddle Lotus Wallet is compact wallet, the interior is quite extensive. If you open it, you will find 3 layers with 4 card slots, 2 patch pockets, 1 bill compartment and 1 zip pocket.